Every innovation has its history. Every decision is made from experience. Every future starts today. Every choice is a sign of freedom. Every result is based on control. We have more than 150 years of materials expertise.
World-leading R&D and all relevant printing techniques for metal in-house.
And our powder technology helps drive the shift towards sustainable manufacturing.
We have the widest range of metal powders on the market.
Now also including Osprey titanium, nickel and superalloys.
All under the same roof.